The world is changing faster than ever before. Every second, somewhere on this planet, a breakthrough is happening, reshaping our lives, our jobs, and even our relationships. Today on Tech Roast Daily, we'll explore the 15 groundbreaking technologies that will change the world forever. 1. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. Greater than, imagine an AI that can think, reason, and learn just like a human, but process information millions of times faster. Artificial General Intelligence won't just assist us, it could surpass us. From curing diseases to designing cities, AGI could become humanity's greatest creation, or its greatest challenge. 2. Quantum computing. While traditional computers use bits, quantum computers use qubits, unlocking unimaginable computing power. These machines could simulate molecules, crack codes, and solve global problems that would take today's computers thousands of years. 3. Advanced energy storage. The future of clean energy depends on one thing: storage. New battery innovations could store power from the sun and wind for entire cities, making renewable energy available anytime, anywhere. 4. Autonomous vehicles. Driverless cars are no longer science fiction. They're here, learning from every journey, reducing accidents, and transforming transportation. The real revolution? You'll soon be able to sit back, relax, and let your car do the driving. 5. Gene editing, CRISPR, and beyond. We've entered an age where we can rewrite life itself. Gene editing could eliminate inherited diseases, grow replacement organs, and even extend human lifespan. But it also raises a question. How far should we go in redesigning what it means to be human? 6. Edge and cloud. AI greater than AI isn't staying in data centers. It's moving to your wrist, your car, your home. Edge and cloud. I will connect billions of devices, learning and adapting in real time. The entire world will become an intelligent, connected network. 7. 6G and hyperconnectivity. If 5G changed how we communicate, 6G will merge the physical and digital worlds. Instant global communication, holographic meetings, and truly smart cities, all powered by light-speed connectivity. 8. Brain-computer interfaces, BCI. Imagine controlling your devices, not with your hands, but your mind. Brain-computer interfaces will allow thoughts to command machines, opening new frontiers for people with disabilities and new possibilities for everyone else. 9. Synthetic biology. What if we could design life like software? Synthetic biology allows scientists to build organisms that produce fuels, medicines, and even materials stronger than steel, created not by factories, but by living cells. 10. 3D printing, additive manufacturing. From rockets to homes, even organs, 3D printing is redefining how we build. It's efficient, fast, and personal. One day, you might simply download a house and print it in your backyard. 11. Renewable energy innovations. Solar panels, wind turbines, and fusion reactors are converging to create a clean energy planet. The future of power is green, global, and infinite. A world powered by the energy of the stars. 12. Blockchain and Web 3. Greater than blockchain is more than crypto. It's a revolution in trust. It's decentralizing finance, art, and data ownership, giving individuals control in a digital world once ruled by corporations. 13. Robotics and automation. The next workforce won't just be human, it'll be hybrid. Robots will work beside us, learn from us, and take on dangerous tasks. Instead of replacing humans, automation will amplify what we can do. 14. Space technology and exploration. We're no longer just reaching for the stars. We're heading there. Private companies and global agencies are planning colonies on Mars, mining asteroids, and exploring distant worlds. The space race of the future is about survival and destiny. 15. The future of humanity, unified vision. All these technologies, AI, robotics, energy, space, are converging into one grand story, the evolution of intelligence itself. Humanity isn't just building tools anymore. We're building our next version. Greater than, the future isn't coming, it's already here. Which of these technologies do you think will shape our world the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay tuned to Tech Roast Daily, where the future comes alive.